Hey, this video is about how to use random variables in Unity, and we're going to look at shorthand versus longhand. Okay, so going over here to Unity, I've got a cube in the scene. I'm going to add component, and I'm going to call it my random script, and it's C#. So we'll create and add my random script, and let's go to it. Open it up. Okay, so we have void update. We don't need that. And I'm going to create a few variables. So public int my random, public int my random 2. Now in start, I'm going to do this. So my random equals random range 0 to 2. So what that does is it creates either a 0 or a 1 value randomly. If my random equals 0, and else if my random equals 1. Now, what am I going to put inside these brackets? I'm going to say my random equals 100. And then else if, I'll say my random equals 200. At the end, I'm going to debug log my random equals my random. That's going to give us a random range of 0 or 1. If my random is 0, then my random is 100. If my random is 1, my random is 200. And then it's going to display the value of my random to the console. So let's go over there. I'm going to save this. I'm going to go back over to Unity, and we will run this and see how it works. Okay, so somehow it printed it twice. Why is it printing it twice? That's a little weird. Oh, you know what? I have 2 scripts on here. Ha! Okay. Good trick. So let me remove this component. Somehow I had the script on there twice. Okay, now when we run it, it works. We have it one time. Okay, let's go back over to MonoDevelop. Now, there's a shorthand way of doing the exact same thing. So in this case, we're going to go my random 2 equals random range. So we're starting out exactly the same, 0 to 2. However, instead of ending this line with a semicolon, I'm going to evaluate it. If it equals 0, the result is 100. Else, the value is 200. So now we can debug log my random 2 equals plus my random 2. And now let's test that and see how that works in Unity. Okay, so I'm going to clear the console and press play. Okay, so my random 2 also has a random value of 100, 200. And I'm just going to test it a couple times just to make sure that we are getting a value of 100 as well. Let's do it again. Okay, that time it was at 100. So I know that we are actually getting a random value. Okay, so both of these ways work. One way takes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7 lines. This way takes 2 lines. And I guess it just boils down to readability. Which one is easier for you to read? If you can learn how to read this way, it's a lot less code to write. One of the programmers that I work with loves writing things this way, and so that's why I've taken it upon myself to make this video, because I'm seeing a lot of this every day and I kind of need to familiarize myself with it anyway. So I made this video, hope it helps somebody. All right, thanks for watching, bye.